Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this damp, gray, foggy Tuesday evening around 9:30, looking at Providence. And you can clearly see the low cloud cover, a little bit of fog, and precipitation has been pretty light. It's either been light showers or just some drizzle. And you can see some of the reduced visibility in Newport as well, fog, showers, and drizzle. And this will pretty much persist throughout the rest of the evening and into the overnight hours. Fortunately, temperatures pretty mild. We've got readings that are generally in the upper 40s to around 50, but the far northern part of the state, from Burrillville to Cumberland, right up in here, has been holding in the upper 30s, while it's nearly 10 to 12 degrees milder as you get further south. And what we have here is just a boundary, a warm front across the area. On one side of the boundary, it's cool. The other side of the boundary, it's mild. So temperatures this evening, very location dependent. Rainfall since midnight, since late last night, anywhere from a quarter of an inch to a half inch in Smithfield. The amounts this evening and overnight are fairly light. As we take a look at what we're watching, unsettled weather ahead for this week. That's not to say that we have anything stormy, but we do have more clouds than sunshine now through the end of the week on Friday, and at times some off and on showers and drizzle. Looking at actually very mild temperatures Wednesday afternoon. Despite the extra clouds, we should get into the mid-50s. Most of the daylight hours of Wednesday looks fairly rain-free other than some sprinkles, but another round of rain arriving by Wednesday evening and into Wednesday night. It does cool down, more seasonable levels by the end of the week, cooler to colder weather, though we certainly don't see any bitter cold or any extreme winter weather. Satellite radar composite showing these elements of green along a warm front, producing some of these light showers and areas of drizzle. Here's the wider view, and that warm front draped across the area. It's essentially been, sort of oscillating up and down. So, one side of it's cool to cold, the other side is quite mild. Look at Philadelphia, close to 60, and here in Providence, we're in the mid-40s. Generally staying on the mild side of this boundary tonight right on through Wednesday. This front, this warm front, this red line, is attached to an area of low pressure across the northern plains. And quite simply, we just have waves of moisture riding along this warm front. We got another round of showers coming in by Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. So we put this into motion, take you through the overnight, and quite simply just more of the same. Light rain, drizzle, and fog, along with mild temperatures. Here we are at about 8 o'clock in the morning, cloudy skies, some areas of fog. Not much in the way of rain. Don't look for downpours, but every now and then these little green speckles indicating maybe some sprinkles, but generally rain-free, very little rain, at least during the daylight hours. Here we are at about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and note the temperature is quite mild for early January, in the middle 50s. Tomorrow evening at around 5 o'clock, cloudy skies, still very mild, temperatures that are in the 50s. And then we'll start to generate some showers and rain after sunset, and certainly Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. This is 11 o'clock. Temperature still above freezing, so good news, no ice or snow. But showers are likely Wednesday evening and into the nighttime hours. Tomorrow morning, a mainly cloudy start. Kind of damp early with some fog, a few sprinkles, but look at these temperatures. Quite mild by 11 a.m., 54, and mostly cloudy skies. There may be some partial sun trying to sneak through the cloud cover early in the afternoon, but it's generally mostly cloudy. Temperatures mild in the mid-50s. Better part of the day, not much in terms of precipitation, but once we get towards 5 o'clock in the evening and beyond, the shower chances will start to increase, and rain is likely on Wednesday night. We'll cool things down a little bit on Thursday, but we're going to stick with the cloud cover on Thursday, and then by Friday, some light rain and snow showers, just, kind of nuisance, nothing really significant. A little cooler on Friday, and then finally some brighter weather by the weekend with seasonably cool temperatures.